Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a long wheelbase Trendline Volkswagen Crafter. It's a paddle van with a high roof. It's also fitted with a 140 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This Crafter is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front parking sensors. This Crafter is also fitted with a nice chrome strip on the top grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with VW centre wheel covers. On both sides of the van, you will notice side marker lights. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice that the mirrors are black and also the door handles. The mirrors on this Crafter are also heated. This would be ideal for cold winter months. As we look to this side of the vehicle, you will notice a side opening door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video camera around, you will notice that it's fully wood ply-lined. To the back of the Crafter, you will notice rear wing doors with two 70-degree hinges. As we look across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. Looking to the back of the Crafter, you will notice standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a Crafter badge and a VW emblem on the rear doors. Looking into the load area again, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. As we look across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Here we have the two 70-degree hinges. On both sides of the van, you will notice magnetic stoppers, and this is the advantage of the door hinges. This van is painted in a metallic paint, which is called Indium Grey, which is a popular colour in the van range. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a standard steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice some more handy storage and some handy cup holders. As we look to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. As we look up, you will notice some more handy storage for the driver and passenger. This Crafter is also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. You'll also notice that the driver's seat has a handy armrest for extra comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Crafter. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror, electric window switches. Down here, you will see the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This Crafter has covered 23,684 miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also notice it's fitted with a SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. Next, we have App Connect. This would allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is using Waze for maps and also my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when you're parking the vehicle up. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Crafter is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a long wheelbase Trendline Volkswagen Crafter. It's a panel van with a high roof. It's also fitted with a 140 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate crafter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you are in contact with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.